Babe, what happened? Why you look so frustrated?
I am so frustrated. I posted this caregiver position. Over 200 people applied for it. And guess what? I've been going through this. It's been 8 hours. Only like 2 people qualify. It's just, I'm over it.
I understand your frustration. But you know what? If you use AI, that's the perfect solution that I have for you. Use AI in your applicant recruitment, and guess what? AI will have already sorted this all out for you and giving you the best applicants, only the best ones to look at. Not 100s, maybe just the best 5, for example, that you would have to look at.
Okay, so can you show me how to do this?
Yes, exactly. I'm going to show you that at the workshop, okay? At the workshop. We put together 5-day workshop, systemized to scale with AI to show exactly how to use AI in your home care agency so that you can get more work done in less time, increase efficiency, increase your profit, and get your time back. And also, only get the best applicants.
Awesome. So, I'm ready for it.
All right, click on the link and register now.